Hey there, Divi people. This is John from Divi Ready Themes, and in today's video, we're going to be giving you a preview, a little walkthrough of our newest Divi Layout Kit, Legaleze. This is our Divi Layout Kit for anything legal. If you have a law firm, a lawyer, an attorney, anything legal that needs a website, this one will cover it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the entire site on the regular side with not with the Visual Builder not loaded, and then we're going to go through the site on the Divi Builder side, and I can show you exactly how it was built and what can be changed and how you can customize it to your own needs. Okay, so let's go back to the main site, and as you can see here, it starts off with a picture of a nice woman. Looks very professional. We're here to help. This button here is for your free case evaluation. It zips you down to the form on the page. These are several seals, lawyer seals that I found. Of course, you have to put whatever seals that your company has been awarded. So let's go through each one of the different sections. Let's first start with lawyers. And that'll zip you down to the lawyer section here. You got pictures of all your lawyers. Only the best lawyers work here. Again, button to free consultation. If we go to case news, this is a good spot for any winnings that the lawyer has done, any monies that he's collected for his clients, anything that would be newsworthy. Next section would be the areas. One is practice areas. And that shows exactly what the lawyer firm that you're creating the website for does. This one does personal injury lawyers, family lawyers, criminal defense lawyers. And if we go back to areas, we go to areas served, and this can be your state, your counties, everything can be changed here. Case evaluation is a spot where the client coming in for the help can fill out the form here. Gives all the information that he needs to the lawyer and sends it in. In the news is that this area can be tied into a blog section, something like that. If you want any kind of newsworthy stories you want to put there. And then you've got the contact us area, which has a couple of lawyer seals here, and then your contact information, the address, the phone number, links, and a way to sign up for the newsletter. Okay, let's jump over to the Divi Builder side, and I'll show you exactly what can be changed. You'll notice first thing when you go into this that some of the things look like they're out of whack, but this is because I'm using negative margins. So don't mess around with any of the things that look out of place. They all go into place once you've got the site loaded. This first section here is a regular Divi standard header section. If we click on the gear icon, you can see that you can change the text here, change whatever text you want down on the bottom here, and background here, the picture of the woman can be changed to whatever you need. The free case evaluation is just a button that shoots you down to the form, down the page right here. This next section, the latest case news, this is just a left-aligned blog module, and you will find that the CSS code in your custom CSS once you upload this theme. This is just a good spot for people to come in and put in latest case news. It pulls from a blog entry, so each one of these are separate blog entries, and I've just done one with news. Post number is 2 for this column. And this one here is also news with just 2 post columns. And I've offset the number, I think it is, on this one here, so you don't get the same 2 posts up there. Yeah, offset number was 2 here. Okay, next section is, this is a spot for a client story. If a client wants to tell a story of how well the lawyer helped her out. This little hover effect here is done with... I actually put out a video, a tutorial on how to achieve this hover effect. So I will put a link in the video transcription to that video so you can learn how to do that. Next section down here is just the regular slider section. I've got half the slider here, which changes the pictures of the lawyers. And you've got your text here, which can be changed to whatever you want it to be. And like I said, this is just a regular slider module, and I've got 2 sliders on there. If you look back here, you can change the actual pictures here. So the first set of lawyers, and then the second set of lawyers. This next section here is you can put a quote from one of your clients here. And this is where the client would enter in all his information: name, address, email. You ever been represented in court before? Discuss your case, and that'll get sent off to the lawyer. Next section here is your practice areas. This is just a regular text section here. This can be changed to whatever you want it to be. Colors can be changed. These are just different text modules here. Personal injury lawyers, family lawyers. Shows all the practice areas that are covered. This next section here, in the news section, is just a regular image module here. You can change that. Oops, I made a mistake there. And this is just, I think, a regular blurb section. Yes. So that becomes linkable. So that's how this section was created here. A row of buttons here with a negative margin brings them up on top over here. You can see that. If we go into the design, we go into spacing, you see it's got a negative margin of 31, which brings it on top of the blurb, gives it a nice look. This next section here is your area served. This one can be changed. This is just a regular image. And if we click on it, you can see that you can change your state to whatever you want it to be. These are just regular text modules. Next one here is New York personal attorneys. This tells a little bit of a story about your client. A little excerpt there and more stuff about your client. Down below here I've got, I think this is just one image. Yeah, just one image here with all the seals here. This is a transparent ping file. That's how that was created. And then you come down here. This is a custom global footer. It's not a regular footer. It's custom global, so you can copy this onto any page you want to. It's much easier to configure. And down here I've included all the information and all the links and to a way to join the newsletter. And as you see, that is about it on that. If I go back to the regular site here, you'll see whenever you've got a really long site, you should always include the back to the top button. It makes it much easier for your visitors to get back to the top and they don't get angry. Okay, I think that's it for the video. Just want to remind you guys that we have our new layouts out there now. One for MEDz, which is a medical Divi Layout Pack. I've got Artisans, which is a restaurant, beautiful restaurant Divi Layout Kit. This one's actually Divi Child Theme. And if we go to this one here, this is our latest release. This is Tattooz. This is for any tattoo parlor. This is one of my favorite designs we've done, not because of the beautiful woman here, but because of the way, the background, and I love tattoos and artists and stuff like that. So that's another one of our new templates, so make sure you check that out. I'll make sure I got all the links and everything down on the bottom. I think that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did like it, make sure you subscribe below. And like I said, I'll include links to all the different areas that I covered. And I'll include links to the new layout kits that we have. Okay, this has been John from Divi Ready Themes, and I will catch you on the next video.